For your own safety, we've had to suspend programs to bring you some information through our emergency broadcasting service. In the meantime, remain tuned to this channel and wait for more instructions. Her Majesty's Government has issued an urgent advisory to all residents regarding an emerging threat across the United Kingdom. For your safety, you are strongly instructed to remain indoors and avoid looking or going outside under any circumstances at this time. For reasons not yet understood, numerous residents have reported similar encounters involving an unidentified presence observed standing at front doors or windows for an extended period before disappearing, only to reappear moments later in the same area. Some residents have reported that this entity displays increasingly disruptive behaviour the longer it remains outside a property. Many have been concerned over another person's behaviour. It is said that they will attempt suicide by looking at this entity for too long. If you witness this entity standing outside your window, please don't hesitate yourself to close the curtains as soon as possible. This is because it is to prevent anyone from harming themselves in the process of this entity lurking around your household. If you begin to feel overwhelmed or believe your well-being is at risk, you are strongly advised to seek support from a qualified professional as soon as possible. Delaying assistance may cause your condition to worsen, so prompt attention is essential. This entity shouldn't be taken seriously and is extremely deadly. In the light of said events, it's highly recommended that you should barricade all doors, windows, and any other entrances that are out to the open. It has been said through CCTV footage that this entity is approximately 7.5 feet tall and has pure white-greyish skin with severe deformed scars surrounding its body. Regardless of where you are in Great Britain, if you see anything that resembles the appearance, you must hide immediately, as there has been a serious number of reports of residents disappearing from households from this entity. This entity has been designated as the Pale Watcher, due to its tendency to remain motionless for long periods while observing residential areas. Authorities believe that recent disappearances may be linked to individuals who attempted to approach or investigate the figure during its appearances. At this time, authorities are attempting to monitor the movements of the Pale Watcher, despite its ability to vanish without warning and reappear in entirely different locations across the country. Its pattern of relocation remains unpredictable, making tracking efforts extremely difficult. We will inform you when the entity has been dealt with, and it's safe to leave your home and search for anyone who may be missing. In this moment of time, remain safe and stay tuned to this channel for further instructions. We have received confirmation that police and military personnel have made contact with the Pale Watcher within its reported vicinity. Although the entity has been briefly contained on several occasions, it continues to disappear without warning, making long-term containment efforts extremely challenging. Officials have confirmed that the situation involving the Pale Watcher was resolved without the need for escalation, and all personnel involved remain unharmed. At present, the area is considered stable, though residents are encouraged to remain attentive until monitoring teams conclude their assessment. Thank you for your understanding during this interruption. Programming will only resume once officials have confirmed that conditions are fully secure. For continued coverage and verified updates, please refer to BBC News. This channel will remain in standby mode until clearance is issued.